Same way Ramchandra Puri. Ramchandra Puri also, he commented when Madhavendra Puripad was taking prasadam. So these fellow, why? Why they are becoming envious towards Bhagavan, Gaurahari and pure devotee like Madhavendra Puri? What the reason? What is the reason? The reason is that they don't have so much faith on them. No faith is there. କାହିଁକି ଏପରି ହେଉଛି? ଏମାନେ ଗୌରହରି ଭଗବାନ ଗୌରହରିଙ୍କର ପ୍ରତି ଈର୍ଷାନ୍ୱିତ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି। ମାଧବେନ୍ଦ୍ର ପୁରୀପାଦ ଭଳି ପରମ ବୈଷ୍ଣବ ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରତି ଈର୍ଷାନ୍ୱିତ। ୟାର କାରଣ କ'ଣ? ୟା କାରଣ ହେଉଛି ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧାର ଅଭାବ, ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧାହୀନତା, faithlessness. The reason is faithlessness. ତେଣୁ ଏଠି କୁହାଯାଉଛି ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧା ନଥିଲେ ଜଣେ ଅପ୍ରାକୃତ ବସ୍ତୁକୁ ଦେଖିକି ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ପ୍ରାକୃତ ଜ୍ଞାନ କରିବ। If Shraddha is not there, even if seeing the transcendental form, any transcendental object, he will think this is just material. ତେଣୁ ଜଣେ ଅନ୍ଧବିଶ୍ୱାସୀ ଜଣଙ୍କର ଅନ୍ଧବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଅଛି, ସେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ ସତ୍ୟ ପଥକୁ ଆସିପାରିବ। କିନ୍ତୁ ଯାହାର ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ନାହିଁ ଆଦୌ, ସିଏ ସତ୍ୟ ପଥକୁ ଆସିବା ସହଜ। If one is having blind faith, there is possibility he can come to the path of truth. But if someone is not having at all faith, there is no possibility that he can come to the true path. ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ସତ୍ ପଥକୁ ଆସିପାରିବେ ନା, ସେମାନଙ୍କର ବିନାଶ ତ ସୁନିଶ୍ଚିତ। Those who cannot come to true path, they will be perished, no doubt. ତେଣୁ ଭକ୍ତିବିନୋଦ ଠାକୁର କହିଲେ ଯେ ସକଲ ଛାଡ଼ିଆ ଭାଇ ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧା ଦେବୀର ଗୁଣ ଗାଏ। ତୁମେ ସବୁକିଛି ଛାଡ଼ିଦିଅ କିନ୍ତୁ ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧା ଛାଡ଼ ନା, ବିଶ୍ୱାସକୁ ଛାଡ଼ ନା। ଭକ୍ତିବିନୋଦ ଠାକୁର କହିଲେ ଯୋଉ ରୂପ ଗୋସ୍ୱାମୀ ପାଦ କହିଯାଇଛନ୍ତି, as Rupa Goswami Pad has already said, First thing is Shraddha. Don't forget that. Shraddha ଆସିଲେ ସାଧୁ ସଙ୍ଗ ହବ ଆଉ ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧା ଯଦି ନାହିଁ ସାଧୁ ସଙ୍ଗ କେମିତି ହବ ଆମ ଯେଉଁ କ୍ରମ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ତା ଦେହରେ କୁହାହେଉଛି ଆଗେ ଶ୍ରଦ୍ଧା ତାପରେ ସାଧୁ ସଙ୍ଗ ନା The gradual process is given by Rupa Goswami Pad. First is Shraddha, then Sadhu Sangha. If Shraddha is not there, one cannot do Sadhu Sangha. विश्वास नहीं साधु संग केबे हब तेणु आ साधु संग जदि न हब भक्ति केमती हब सेथिपाई कुहाउछि श्रद्धा नथिले भक्ति हब ना if there will be no sadhu sangha, how one can develop bhakti? That means if there is no shraddha, there is no sadhu sangha, no bhakti. अनेक निजकू कर्मवीर ज्ञानवीर बोली कहउछन सेमानकर अन्य अभिलाष जाई नहीं तेणु सेमाने निजकू कर्मवीर ज्ञानवीर बोली कहउछन some they are claiming that they are the men of action, men of knowledge, because they have not given up other desires, annabhyas. तांकर प्रचेष्टा तांकर ज्ञान द्वारा ये जगत को विमोहित कर दे पारंती किंतु कर्म बंध फास रू मुक्त deluded can they become free from their actions? जगत को विमोहित कर दे पारले मध्य से माने कौन कर्म बंधरु बा कर्म फासरु मुक्त ही पारिबे से माने कौन केबे भक्त ही पारिबे can they become devotee? अनेक लोग स्माचन अनेक लोग को सह सह बार समालोचना कले मध्य महाप्रसाद डाली भात हो जीवनी कि अर्चा गोविंद बा अर्चा अवतार जो अच्छा से साधारण पत्थर मूर्ति हो नामटा आक्षरिक शब्द विशिष्ट होना जड़े वैष्णव केवे साधारण व्यक्ति ही पार जिते समालोचना कले the advocate they may criticize, they make comments, and by their comments Mahaprasad cannot become simple food. Bhagavan's Archa Vigraha cannot become a mere idol or statue. The name cannot become simple sound or words. Vaishnava cannot become a ordinary person. अन्यर समालोचन रे एगुड़िकर परिवर्तन हो जीवना महाप्रसाद महाप्रसाद रो गुण कौन है जड़े डाली भात खाऊ आम से डाली भात भगवान को लगे कि तफात कौन तफात जान सेम dal and rice others are eating but we are taking prasad mahaprasad. What is the difference? महाप्रसाद रे चित्त को पवित्र करिवार गुणटा अछि अन्यान्य खाद्य रे से जिनिस ना तुम्हें बिना प्याज रसुण बिना माछ मांस रे आजिकल बहुत होटल अच्छी जाई खाई दे पारिबो किंतु महाप्रसाद जहाँ काम करियो महाप्रसाद इट इज गोइंग इनसाइड मेकिंग आवर हार्ट प्योर. Even if we are taking outside without onion, garlic, but that cannot purify our heart. That purification only can be done by Mahaprasad. সেই পবিত্রীকরণটা महाप्रसाद करिपारि अर्चावतार भगवान छिड़ाई अर्चावतार कौन करिपारिबे आम पाई गौरांग प्रिय बाबा को what Archavatar deity form can do for us. Huh? अर्चावतारंकर करुणामयत्व गुण अच्छी सी करुणा करिपारिबे आम प्रति कृपा प्रदर्शन करिपारिबे He can shower mercy on us. नाम ब्रह्म ये प्राकृत शब्द नुहे बुझिल ये अप्राकृत एवं भगवत तुल्य दिस नाम ब्रह्म द नेम of Bhagavan is not the material words. This is also transcendental. And there is also no difference between Bhagavan and Bhagavan's name. अभिन्नत्वान नाम नामिनो यहाँ मध्य कौन सी भेद नहीं भगवान निजे भगवान कर नाम वैष्णव वैष्णव कर कौन गुण हाँ हाँ कहो हाँ पतित पावनोक्तो वैष्णव रोची पतित पावन पतित को से पावन कर पारि जन अति पतित ताको पावन करी पारिबे the Vaishnava's quality is Vaishnava can deliver very fallen, degraded soul. He can do that. श्रद्धाहीन व्यक्ति से कर्मी ज्ञानी अन्याभिलाषी एवं आध्यात्मिक से यदि बहु लोकर मत संग्रह करे गणमत संग्रह करी नेता ही जीव नेतृत्व नहीं पारिब नहीं आमर इस्कन रे भी होउछि गणमत संग्रह कर नेतृत्व ने होनी मीटिंग रे मो ना कोई पुराना मोटरसाइकिल कहीं चुप नुआ मोटरसाइकिल दिया जो मीटिंग रे मो ना कोई अरे बाबा या भितर भी राजनीति अच्छी यार भीतर राजनीति अच्छी तेणे एटी कहुच्छी गुरुदेव कहते कौन हाँ जड़े ता निज सपक्ष लोक संग्रह करिब कौ भाया लोक संग्रह करिब से जार विश्वास ना जे आध्यात्मिक ये अन्याभिलाषी सी मान को रुंडेब गोटे दल सृष्टि करी दलर दलपति है हाँ हो गले डायरेक्टर प्रेसिडेंट सेक्रेटरी किंतु भक्ति देवी सुदूर अपराहत बुझिपार एक कर्मी ज्ञानी आध्यात्मिक अन्याभिलाषी he can collect many followers and he can become a leader, so-called leader. But Bhakti Devi very far from him. Very, very far from him. भक्ति देवी कृपा मिलना आ भक्ति देवी को कृपा न मिलले तुम्हें कृष्ण कृपा कौटी मिल इफ भक्ति देवी इज नॉट showering mercy so how you will get Krishna's mercy बहुत काम कराई मंदिर पाई संस्था पाई बहुत काम कर किंतु फकीरमन प्रभु कहवा अनुसार फल डाउन टेबलेट खाईदे बहुत काम करती ए फल डाउन टेबलेट खाई many they have done many types of development activities works but somehow took one tablet the tablet name is fall down tablet bas गले चारि पांजी गले कहीं आउ रखा ना बापा कहीं आउ रक्षा करें nobody can save nobody can protect साधु सावधान अनेक लोकंकर अनेक बही पढ़ी आमे तांकु सब महापुरुष बोलिके सम्मान करूँ किंतु महापुरुष जो आम आगे छिड़ा होचंती हाँ तांकर किछि गुण थाई पारे पूरा भाव आम ग्रहण कर पारुना when we are reading some book then we are thinking oh he is a great personality Mahapurush but Mahapurusha is standing before us we are saying some quality might be with him as Mahapurush तेणु आमर श्रद्धा होना विश्वास होना we don't have strong faith तेणु आमे प्रति मुहूर्त रे प्रार्थना करिबा कोडी प्रार्थना करिबा ना वैष्णव भक्त मान को पाद पद्म रे प्रार्थना करिबा therefore we should always pray to the Vaishnavas Vaishnavas lotus feet that we must not be deprived of the mercy of Shraddha Devi. आमे जपरी श्रद्धा देवी कृपारू कौन सी दिन वंचित न हो यहाँ ही आमे वैष्णव पाद पद्म प्रार्थना करिया तुमर अच्छी गीत गाई पारू आम कंठ नहीं कर्म ज्ञान तप जोग सकल तो कर्म भोग कर्म छाड़ा इते केह नारे कर्म ज्ञान तप जोग मोर बईटा आनी तंदा सकल तो कर्म भोग कर्म छाड़ा इते के नारे मूल कौन अच्छे हाँ अच्छी गुरुदेव मुझे he can get computer can get तपो जोग मे बी इनसाइड मूलटा नहीं ना हाँ आम कष्ट मष्ट कहीदवा कर्म ज्ञान तप जोग सकलैत कर्म भोग कर्म छाड़ा इते केह नारे सकल छाड़िया भाई श्रद्धा देवीर गुण गाय जार कृपा भक्ति दीते पारे छाड़ी दंभ अनुक्षण स्मर अष्ट तत्वमन করতাহে নিষ্কপট রতি, সেই রতি প্রার্থনায় শ্রীদাস গোস্বামী গায়, বিনোদ সে ভক্ত করে নীতি। কর্ম জ্ঞান তপ যোগ ଏସବୁ କ'ଣ? ଏସବୁ ହେଉଛି ଏକ ପ୍ରକାର କର୍ମ ଭୋଗ। ତେଣୁ ଇଏ କେବେ କର୍ମ ଛଡ଼େଇ ପାରିବ ନା। ବିଗଡ଼ यार आरंभ होची गुरुदेव ब्रजबने ब्रजभूमि बासी जाने, शुद्ध भक्ति आर विप्र गणे। गुरुदेवे ब्रजबने ब्रजभूमि बासी जाने। Consider that action, knowledge, asceticism and yoga only further bind one to karma and certainly are unable to free one from it. Renounce all these, O brother, and sing the praise of the goddess of faith, whose grace can bestow devotion. तेणु आम देखिले ये कर्म ज्ञान तप जोग ये सबू आमर कर्म भोग होउछे एथरे, किंतु ये सब आमको कर्म छड़े पारिब ना बा कर्मर प्रतिक्रिया छाड़ब ना। तेणु ये सब छाड़ी श्रद्धा देवी गुणगान करिया पड़िबो, जहाँकर कृपारू आमे भक्ति लाभ करि पारिबा। छाड़ी दम्भ अनुक्षण स्मर अष्ट तत्व मन कर ताहे निष्कपट रति, सही रति प्रार्थनाय श्रीदास गोस्वामी पाय ए भक्ति विनोद करे नति। गिव अप ऑल pretenses and meditate on the eightfold truths. What are these eightfold truths? अष्टतत्व ताउची गुरु वृंदावन वृंदावनवासी वैष्णव ब्राह्मण मंत्र पवित्र नाम एवं शरणागतिर प्रथा। So these are 8 truths. Guru, Vrindavan, Vrindavan's residents, Vaishnavas, Brahmanas, one's mantra, the holy name, and the process of surrendering. At every moment. Love them all without ulterior motives. With prayers for attaining such love, Bhakti Vinod vows at the lotus feet of Sri Raghunath Das Goswami. ये सब दंभ त्याग करो, छलना त्याग करो एवं ये अष्ट तत्व उपरे ध्यान रखो, प्रति मुहूर्त रे या को ध्यान करो एवं यहाँ को भल पाओ, कौन सी प्रकार अन्य उद्देश्य न रखी यही प्रेम लाभ पाई प्रार्थना करो। भक्ति विनोद शील रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी करो पाद तले प्रणाम करके ये कथा कहते। तेणु ये आम देखा जे श्रद्धाटा कि जिनिस, श्रद्धा देवी कृपा नहले आमे भक्त ही पारिबा नहीं। विदाउट द मर्सी ऑफ श्रद्धा देवी वी कैनॉट बिकम ए भक्त, एंड इफ यू कैनॉट बिकम ए भक्त वी कैनॉट बिकम फ्री फ्रॉम कर्मिक रिएक्शंस। श्रद्धा देवी कृपा नहले आमे केवे भक्त ही पारिबा ना, और भक्त नहले आमर कर्मर प्रतिक्रिया रू आम मुक्त ही पारिबा ना। तेणु सेतिपाई मनीषी माने महापुरुष परमहंस माने कही जे आदौ श्रद्धा, सर्वप्रथमे श्रद्धा। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, जय श्री गुरुदेव की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद जी महाराज की, श्री राधा गोपाल जी की, श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा देवी की, श्री गौनिताय की, समवेत गौर भक्त वृंद की, पिताय गौर प्रमानंदे। हरि हरि।
जय श्री श्रीमद् चैतन्य चंद्रदास गुरु महाराज की,
जय श्री गुरुदेव।
some questions are there to you. Sharana Mataji. Gurudev said yesterday that disciples should surrender to Guru. What does it mean? How disciple can and should surrender to his Guru? And how can we know what Krishna wants from us? This is first question.
Surrender to Guru means one should not retain his or her independence. Completely one should depend on Guru. And whatever Guru is saying, whatever Guru is instructing, we should do it, we should follow it strictly.
How disciple can surrender to Guru?
When one will become disciple, means he has to surrender. दीक्षा कले भक्त करे आत्मसमर्पण. At the time of initiation, a disciple has to surrender to Guru. If he is not surrendering, then Guru is also not completely responsible for that disciple.
how can we know what Krishna wants from us?
Only through Guru. Only through Guru we can know what Krishna wants from us.
Another devotee, no name. If we have no Guru now, but we are engaged in seva, how can we get true result of our humble service?
How can?
How can we get the result of our humble service?
The seva service will not go in vain or go astray. Result is there. But actually, without Guru's mercy, whatever we will do, that will only give us dharma, artha, kama.
Alexander, please kindly explain how to develop love, affection, and firm faith towards Guru, Shastra, and Krishna.
In order to develop faith and love for Guru, we should sincerely from the core of our heart pray to Krishna. By Krishna's mercy, we can see a Guru and we can surrender there. And faith and Shastra will come after listening from Guru. Aha, Damasar, Mara Dandavata, Eka Chitta Vritti ko Vishwasar so Sabare. ବିନିଯୋଗ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ନିଜ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କୁ ସେବା ମାଗିବା କିମ୍ବା ଗୁରୁଦେବ ସେବା ଅର୍ପଣ କରିବେ ଅଥବା ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କ ଭାବକୁ ବୁଝି ସେବା କରିବା ଉଚିତ। ମହାରାଜ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କ ସହ ନିଜ ଅନୁଭୂତିରୁ କହିବେ କି ହଁ ଯେ ପ୍ରଥମତଃ ଆମକୁ ସେବା ମାଗିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ସେବା ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ ଏବଂ ଯେଉଁ ସେବା ଗୁରୁଦେବ ଆମକୁ ଦେବେ ସେଇ ସେବା ଆମେ ଯଦି ଠିକ ଭାବରେ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କର ନିର୍ଦ୍ଦେଶ ଅନୁଯାୟୀ କରିବା ତାହେଲେ ତାହା ଭଗବାନଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଗ୍ରହଣୀୟ ହେବ। ଅନେକ ସମୟରେ ଗୁରୁଦେବ ଆମକୁ ସେବା କରିବା ପାଇଁ କୁହନ୍ତି ନା, ବିଶେଷ କରିକି ତାଙ୍କର ନିଜର କୌଣସି ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ପୂରଣ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଆମକୁ ସେବାରେ ଲଗେଇବାକୁ ନିଜ ଆଡ଼ୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି ନା। ସେ ସମୟରେ ଶିଷ୍ୟର କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ହେଉଛି ସେ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ଭାବ ତାକୁ ବୁଝିପାରି ତଦନୁଯାୟୀ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କର ସେ ସେବା କରିବେ। ଆମର ଅନୁଭୂତିରେ ବହୁତ କିଛି ଅଛି। ଆମେ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କର ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ଭାବରେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ଆଶ୍ରମରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୁରୁଦେବ ଅସୁସ୍ଥ ଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ସେବା କରିଛୁ एवं ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କ ସହ ବିଦେଶ ଯାତ୍ରା କରିଛୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେବା କରିଛୁ। ଆମେ କେତେଟା ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କର ଭାବକୁ ବୁଝିକି ସେବା କରିପାରିଛୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣୁନା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଯେଉଁ ସମୟରେ ଆମେ ଯାହା ସେବା ଦେଇଛୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ସତର୍କ ରହିଛୁ ଯେ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କୁ କେମିତି ଆମେ ଟିକେ ସେବା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଆନନ୍ଦ ଦେଇପାରିବା। ଗୁରୁଦେବ ଗୋଟିଏ କଥା କହିବି, ଗୋଟିଏ ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ କହିବି ଯେ ଗୁରୁଦେବ କାହାରିକୁ ତାଙ୍କର ନିଜର ଅଙ୍ଗ ସେବା କରିବାକୁ ସେ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ନା। ସାଧୁ ପ୍ରଭୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଅତି ନିଜର ଅତି ନିକଟର ସେବକ ଥାଇ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ଥରେ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କର ଗୋଡ଼ ଘଷିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଥିଲା। ଗୁରୁଦେବ ଗୋଟେ ଗୁଇଠା ପକେଇଲେ, ସେ ତଳେ ପଡ଼ିଲା। ସେଦିନଠୁ ସେ ଭର୍ସି କରି କେବେ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଡ଼ ହାତ ମୁଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଇନି। କିନ୍ତୁ ଗୁରୁଦେବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅସୁସ୍ଥ ହେଇକି ବିଦେଶରୁ ଫେରିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଖାଲି ଶଯ୍ୟାରେ ପଡ଼ି ରହିଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କର କୌଣସି ଶକ୍ତି ନଥିଲା କିଛି କରିବାକୁ। ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମମାନେ କିଛି କିଛି ସେବା ତାଙ୍କର କରିବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇଥିଲୁ। ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ କିଛି ମନା କରୁନଥିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ ଅବସ୍ଥାରେ ସେ ଅଧିକ ଭକ୍ତମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ଦେଲେ। ଆମର ହାତରେ ଏକ୍ଜିମା ହେଇଥିବା ଯୋଗୁଁ ଆମେ ସେ ସେବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇପାରିଲୁ। ଆମେ ଖାଲି ବସିକି ଦେଖିଲୁ ସମସ୍ତେ ସେବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି। ଆମର ହାତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭଲ ହେଇଗଲା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭାବରେ, ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚାକିରି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲୁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଗୁରୁଦେବଙ୍କର ଅସୁସ୍ଥ ଲୀଳା ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା ଏବଂ ସେ ସମୟରେ ସେ ଆମକୁ ସେବାରେ ନିଯୁକ୍ତ କଲେ, ଯେଉଁ ସେବା ଆଉ କେହି କରିବାକୁ ରାଜି ନଥିଲେ। ସେହି ସେବାରେ ସେ ଆମକୁ ନିଯୁକ୍ତ କଲେ। ତେଣୁ ଗୁରୁଦେବ କୃପା ନହେଲେ ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କ ସେବା କରିପାରିବା ନା। ତାଙ୍କର ସେବା କରିବାକୁ ହେଲେ ତାଙ୍କର କୃପାର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା ଅଛି।
When a disciple commits Guru Aparadh, what happens to that disciple in next life? Will he still accept the same Guru? Because Janme Janme Prabhu said.
When someone will commit offense at the lotus feet of Guru, the Janme Janme Prabhu say that chain will be cut, finished. Life after life he will suffer. Guru Aparadh is very, very dangerous.
Param Guru, if someone has faith, does it mean automatically he will develop bhakti? And by that bhakti also his faith will increase? Or how to understand properly?
I think he could not listen properly what we spoke. The thing is that first Shraddha, faith, then Sadhu Sangha. then slowly, gradually it will go up to bhakti.
Achintya Krishna Das. A Vaishnava is transcendental. Is there possibility of fall of Vaishnava?
When a Vaishnava is transcendental or true Vaishnava, pure Bhakta, so how he will fall down? There is no question of falling down. It is stated in Shastra that Ajnanava hoy jadi papa upasthito, Krishna tare khema karaye na karaye prayaschita. Someone is having complete faith on Sadhu Guru Krishna and is a very elevated devotee. By chance, by mistake, he did something sinful activities. So Krishna will not put him to atonement. Krishna will forgive him. But it should not be a practice. Since Krishna is forgiving me, I can do one by one many types of offenses, sinful activities. So therefore, generally, the Suddha Bhakta, pure devotee Vaishnava, who is a transcendental one, he will not fall down. Fall down means he has either committed offense at the lotus feet of a greater Vaishnava, or he was just posing as Vaishnava, having some material desires in his mind. Then only one will fall down.
Manjubasa. What is the difference between meditation on mantra and meditation on the holy name? How disciples should live so that Guru would always live in his heart? The two questions.
The first question is how to meditate on the mantra.
What is the difference of meditation on the mantra and now?
By chanting the name, one can go to Krishna's lotus feet. While chanting the name, if our chanting is very pure, immediately Krishna's beautiful form will appear before us. So, we can see the beautiful form, we can understand the qualities, first time, associates everything by chanting. There is no necessity of meditating on name. Mantra meditation, okay. The mantra diksha, that means Gayatri Mantra Diksha, is being given by Guru to advanced devotees. Yes, when he will chant the Gayatri Mantra, he should meditate on that mantra. He should understand the meaning of mantra and he should meditate on it. So that after some time, his attachment, attraction towards the worldly affairs, worldly activities will be reduced and he can become a nice devotee of Krishna. Next.
Adipurush.
No, another question.
How disciples should live so that Guru will always live in his heart.
This is question of love. Love for Guru. Generally in material field, if we have love for someone, he or she is sitting always in the heart. Similarly, if we will have love for Guru, Guru will be always in the heart.
What should I realize in my life to be always connected with Guru in my mind, intelligence, heart, without deviation?
Who is Adipur? Russian.
Russian Adipur.
What is asking?
What should I realize in my life to always be connected with Guru in my mind, intelligence and heart without any deviation?
First thing is, are you following four regulative principles? Are you chanting the holy name? If you are following four regulative principles and chanting the holy name, if you have faith on Guru, then everything will be in your heart. Even Krishna will appear in your heart.
How a disciple can become free from fear of surrendering to Guru. Because Guru will not always be near us, always?
Always?
Near us, nearby. How
Fear. Why fear?
Fear of surrendering. How to get faith that Guru and Krishna Sambandha is eternal and not a material relationship.
Guru is spiritual father. The children, will they have fear to surrender to their father? So, where there is question of fear, fear will be there when someone is having something else in mind, some type of material enjoyment, desire will be there, then fear may come. Otherwise, why fear will come? Next.
How to get faith that Guru and Krishna Sambandha is Nitya Sambandha and not material Sambandha.
Since Krishna is eternal, Krishna Bhakta is eternal, so then if we can develop our sambandha, relationship, then that will be eternal.
Damodar Prabhu's question in Odia. It will be helpful for everyone if it is translated in English and you will speak.
Odia translation. It's not coming, huh?
It's not coming. Lord,
Anyway.
ask.
Anyway, the gist of his question, Damodar Prabhu's question, is that how one can serve Gurudev. There is the thing is that when someone will come to Guru, he should always ask Gurudev, what type of seva will please you and Krishna? And one should be always serve Gurudev. According to the necessity. The thing is that actually he wanted to know, is there any personal realization when serving to Gurudev, how I could do it. So when Gurudev actually was not allowing anyone, any sevaka, to massage his body. One time his personal sevaka, Sadhu Prabhu, went to massage him, he kicked him out. Since then, Sadhu Prabhu did not dare to massage his body. Then after some time he became sick. When he came back from Western preaching tour, that time he was not having any shakti or strength, he was just lying down on the bed, and everyone got opportunity to massage him. But I was not able to do that seva because that time I was having some eczema on my both hands, fingers were very painful that time. And I did not want to touch Gurudev's body with that eczema hand. Then, after some time, I got cured, but Gurudev became healthy. Again Gurudev fell sick. From 1986 December until 1990 October. And that time I got enough opportunity to serve him. By that time no one was coming forward to serve Gurudev. And he also allowed me to serve him. And not only that, after that, Gurudev went to preaching tour program to Australia, Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, many places. I went with him and I got opportunity to serve him nicely. So, a disciple must know what type of seva Gurudev wants. According to Gurudev's need, according to Gurudev's mood, if we can serve, then Gurudev will be very happy. This was my realization. Hare Krishna.
One question came to Aditi. Urmila Aditi.
Oh, English, Tamil.
In the class, it was mentioned that we should pray to Shraddha Devi to shower mercy on us. How do we approach Shraddha Devi and how do we pray to her?
One, this in our daily life, even our karmi life or material life, we need Shraddha, we need faith. So, unless one will listen from a sadhu, he cannot pray for the strong Shraddha or strong faith. So, after listening from sadhu, one will develop desire to have strong faith. That time, he should pray to Shraddha Devi, please shower mercy on me so that my Shraddha or my faith can never be disturbed by any means, any circumstances. Then one can remain as a devotee of Lord Krishna for all the time.
Manjubas,
Huh?
Manjubas.
Huh?
We got bad experience with material father. How can we develop love for our spiritual father? Because material experience with material father becomes obstacle to develop spiritual love to spiritual guru.
Material father is having some material desires. But spiritual father, spiritual master, does not have any material desires. The spiritual father, spiritual master, he always wants that his children or disciples, how they will develop devotion towards the Lord Krishna and become happy in their life. That is the desire of spiritual father. So when one will accept spiritual master, he should know, he can judge also that whether the spiritual father is having some material motives or not. If a spiritual father is not having any material desires or material motive, so then there is no question of any type of doubts or fear. Next thing, doubts will come. Next subject, doubts. We'll speak of that. So, if one will have doubts on spiritual master, spiritual father, then that relationship cannot establish nicely.